Guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. And dito guys, dial lang natin is asterisk 143, number sign or hashtag, and then call. So dito guys, ang pipiliin nyo lang is yung number 6, which is yung Go Booster. So type nyo lang yung number 6, and then send. And then dito guys, makikita nyo na agad sa number 1 yung Go Boost 15. So, ta-type natin is number 1, and then send. So, ayan guys, nakalagay dito is kapag daw nag-register tayo ng Go Boost 15, magkakaroon tayo ng additional 1 GB na data para sa lahat ng sites for 1 day. So, for only 15 pesos. So, para ma-subscribe guys, i-type lang natin yung number 1, and then tap send. So, ayun lang guys, ganoon lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Go Boost 15 sa ating GoSIM.